Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's still your favorite baker, Joy Special. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will always be notified each time we post our new video. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you a little secret behind a fruit cake. So if this is a video that you're interested in watching, please keep watching. Hi guys, so here I have my brandy. I'll be using this brandy to soak my dry fruits. The next thing I have is my vanilla flavor. This is a creamy vanilla flavor. If you want to use a dark vanilla flavor, you're free to use vanilla flavor. The next thing here I have is my dry fruit. I'm going to be soaking it and allow it to rest in the brandy for 1 month or 2 months, depending on when I want to use it. I also have my strawberry flavor, and I also have my nutmeg. Guys, trust me, if you try this recipe, you will love it. I also have my butterscotch. I have my plates. You can use anything to soak it, but make sure whatever that you're going to use in soaking your fruit is tight container so that you will cover it tight after soaking it. Here is my vanilla flavor. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of this vanilla flavor into the brandy. I have my butterscotch flavor. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of butterscotch flavor into the brandy. I have my strawberry flavor. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of strawberry flavor into my brandy. Here I have my mixed dry fruits. I'll be adding it into the brandy. So guys, this is my nutmeg. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of nutmeg into the brandy. If you have the seed, you can use the seed, but I'm using the powdered one because this is what I have at home. Stir everything together until it is well combined. Then you cover it tightly. Make sure you use an airtight container and keep this to rest for 1 month or 2 months. You can even allow it to rest for a year. Guys, trust me, the taste of this fruit cake is wow. Try this recipe today and tell me if you don't love it. There's always a secret taste behind fruit wedding cake, guys. Try this recipe. Your clients will keep coming back. You will get that secret taste behind fruit wedding cake. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate you. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Bye bye.